We are over the moon to be here with Mickey and the gang underneath the shimmering spires of Space Mountain as we celebrate the 50th anniversary of Tomorrowland's most out-of-this-world attraction.
Serena, I think it's time to blast off to many more years of excitement, inspiration, and family memories.
Roger that, Shannon. All right, gang, we're ready to launch. Wait a minute. Look who just landed. It's Astronaut Donald. Hi, pal.
Hi, pal.
Donald, you're just in time. We're a go for launch. Mission control, commence countdown.
4, 3,